Hello, and thanks for checking in and viewing my picks of what I think are the best web-based tools for managing your business operations. My name is Yvonnes Thompson, your virtual partner, and we're going to talk about what I think are some of the best free and low-cost services available today for managing your business operations. It can really be a breeze with all that's available. Now, in this video series, we're going to get some highlights of the best tools that I think that are available that can manage your projects, your contacts, your tasks, whatever you need to make your days run smoother. So, let's get started. Now, the criteria I use for selecting tools include these listed here. First of all, it must be reliable. There should be little or no downtime. You need to be able to get to what you need when you need it, and you need to be able to do that consistently. Another question I ask, is it easily adaptable for a variety of needs? You can't really be efficient if what you're using can't be readily designed to do what you need it to do when you need to do it. Now, and most important of all, and I think you might agree with me here, you should be able to start using it right away without having to go through some kind of complex learning curve. Now, some of the things we talk about might require some learning to get to the full functionality of the tool, but you should be able to just jump right in and start using the basic features immediately. Now, there's so many tools out there. I like to think of them in categories. Now, these are four of the top categories that I think. These are the ones that we actually interact with or use every day. Now, that includes collaboration and work groups. That means working with our teams and our work groups across geographical areas or across departments or whatever works for you. Keeping track of our accounting, billing, and invoicing our clients. Of course, there's always presentations and conferences that we need to produce. And of course, we want to manage our schedules. Now, the top picks in collaboration and work groups for me, or at least among the top picks, include Central Desktop, HyperOffice, and Teamwork Live. But for today's purposes, we're just going to focus on Central Desktop. I love Central Desktop. I use it for everything. I use it every day to manage all of my clients' projects, all of my own projects, to keep track of everything. And I have access to it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from any machine. So I'll never have to worry about losing files or wondering where I am or syncing up anything. It really works seamlessly in that respect. And one of the reasons I chose Central Desktop is because of its robustness and its flexibility. It has everything you need, but you only need to use what you need or the features that you need as you need them. For instance, if you're just looking for a project management tool, you can use Central Desktop for that and that only. Or if you're looking for a way to keep your workflow going smoothly and manage your tasks, select that and even add that with your projects. Or you're looking for a way to keep track of your contacts, build a nice database that you can actually interact with and interface with. You can use Central Desktop for that too. But what I think actually is the most important and probably the thing that you'll use most in Central Desktop is document sharing and storing and collaborating. With Central Desktop, you have a seamless integration with Microsoft Office. You can actually work on documents in real time. You can do updates, you can do saving, you can any kind of editing without ever leaving the program. Or if you have already saved a document in Central Desktop, you can update it without ever having to leave Central Desktop. It's really great in that respect. Now, if you want to take a quick look at Central Desktop, you can download a copy at centraldesktop.com. There's a free option available there, but it's somewhat limited in workspaces and activities that you can do. And once you start using it, it's very likely you're going to want to expand into a larger version. Next in the series, we're going to be looking at HyperOffice and Teamwork Live. But before that happens, please feel free to visit my blog at blog.ytvp.com for any continued reviews and updates. That's Y as in Yvonne, T as in Thompson, V as in virtual, and P as in partner. And thank you. I'll see you in the next series.